Ready to ditch that old gamer tag and finally rock the name you truly deserve in Royal Match? Let's jump right into how to change your name in Royal Match. First, look for the gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of your game screen. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Tap on it. Now, within the settings menu, you'll need to find the section that manages your account or profile information. It might be labeled as Profile, Account, or something similar. Tap on that. On this screen, you should see your current in-game name. Next to it, or below it, there should be an added icon or button. It often looks like a pencil. Tap on the added icon. A text box will appear where you can type in your new desired name. Keep in mind that Royal Match might have some rules about acceptable names, so make sure it's appropriate. Type carefully. Once you're happy with your new name, look for a Save, Confirm, or OK button. Tap on it to save your changes. And that's it. Your name in Royal Match has now been successfully changed. Go ahead and show off that fresh identity. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let us know in the comments what other Royal Match guides you'd like to see.